Hey, this is Jason Moss with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for some good news. We're going to be sharing some information today I think will be very beneficial to you. GMA has been supporting the manufacturing community for almost 15 years now, and our goal is to help support and grow manufacturing throughout the state of Georgia. And we do that through sharing best practices and information that's beneficial across the board. We've recently done a couple surveys, and one of the surveys that we did was to survey for healthcare benefits and kind of get a benchmark to see how you stack up. We have had great response to that, and we decided to extend the survey through July the 5th, and we're going to share the results for all of the people that participated on July 14th. I've been really impressed with some of the results I've seen so far, and I'm sure you'd like to know if you stack up. So if you hadn't already taken the survey, go ahead and do that now. That link is available in the email below. And also we recently sent out a survey about Help Us Help You. We're trying to find out how we can be a better service to you and to the manufacturing community as a whole. And one of the areas that we asked about was, what are the things that our manufacturers and our members benefit most from? Number one, of course, was plant tours, and then educational sessions was number two, and the third was networking events. So in that order, we're trying to address those as we can. We're going to be laying out the schedule of events throughout the balance of 2022. So throughout the rest of the year, we've never done that before. We've never laid out a schedule 6 months in advance, but we're doing that now, and there's a couple reasons. One of them is that we're going to be doing a membership drive. So we want people to know exactly what they're being available to sign up for in the events that we've got lined up, but also to help you coordinate your schedule a little better as well. The educational piece, we're trying to find out what classes that you're most interested in. So we'd like for you to give us some insights on that. We've got really good response on the Help Us Help You survey. And the top three questions and areas of interest for education were supply chain, leadership development, and continuous improvement. But now comes the next part. What we want you to do is give us a little bit, expand on that a little bit, and tell us what kind of leadership training you're interested in, and what kind of questions do you have around supply chain and continuous improvement. If you're interested in a 2-hour course, a half-a-day course, or a full-day course maybe on getting a lean yellow belt for a day, or that kind of thing. So we'd like to get your feedback on that. So those are the educational questions. So we're going to tack on an additional survey to get clarification on the education sessions that you're most interested in. And based on that feedback is what we're going to lay out for our classes. So we, again, need that detail, and we're really excited about being able to lay out this schedule. We do have a couple slots open for factory tours, so if you're interested in hosting a tour at your facility, you can reach out to us at support@georgiamanufacturing.com. Just drop us a quick email. We'll take a look, see if it qualifies, and maybe host a tour at your facility. We've got a couple great ones already lined up. And then be prepared. We're going to be sharing a ton of information about our membership drive that we're going to do through the month of July and August. We got some really fun stuff that'll be attached to that. So if you got any other questions, feel free to give us a call at the office, 770-338-0051. Give us the feedback and let us find ways that we can serve you better. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.